Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from your Arculus wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just looking to move your ETH around, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Remember, handling cryptocurrency means staying extra cautious, so let's dive in and make sure you do this safely. First off, before we start, ensure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and a verified Crypto.com account. You'll also need some Ethereum in your Arculus wallet ready to transfer. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open the Arculus wallet app and log in using your secure credentials. Once inside, head to your dashboard and locate your Ethereum balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Tap on the Ethereum asset in your wallet. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually easy to find. Here, you'll set up the transaction details. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section, select Ethereum, and copy the deposit address provided. This address is unique, so handle it with care to prevent any errors. Step 4. Back in Arculus wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw, making sure it's within your available balance. Don't forget to review any transaction fees that might apply. They can vary based on network conditions. Step 5. Double-check everything on the confirmation screen, including the address and amount. If it all looks good, approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once confirmed, the transfer will be sent to the blockchain. Finally, sit tight while the transaction processes. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on Ethereum network traffic. Once it shows up in your Crypto.com account, you're all set. Crypto can be exciting but unpredictable, so always prioritize security and keep an eye on your assets. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.